What is the difference between Docker exec and Docker attach, right? So Docker exec, Docker execute, right? So this particular Docker exec command is used to run a new command in a running container. It allows you to start a new process. For example, if your container is in a running mode, and if you don't want to disturb main process, and if you want to check the logs or inspect any of the file systems inside the container without interrupting the main application, so we would like to go for this Docker exec -it and the respective container id and followed by the respective terminal bash. So here -it stands for interactive terminal, allowing you to enter into a container shell. And this particular container will start a new bash shell inside the running container, and you can interact with it as if you were logged into a container. And this particular Docker attach, this is used to attach them towards a main process. So instead of creating a new process, this will attach towards a main process of a container. That means whenever you want to interact with the same terminal output, that means existing terminal output, so you would like to go for this Docker attach. And this particular attach towards a main process that was started when the container was first run. If the main process is a terminal based application, so Docker will attach will let you interact with it. And this particular thing we can attach using Docker attach and the respective container ID. So this will attach your terminal towards a main process of your container. For instance, if you have a web server running in a container, you will see the server's output. And this Docker exe, when you want to run a command inside the container, like opening a shell or running a quick script, you want to run a task like inspecting or modifying the files without affecting the main container application, then you will be going towards this Docker exec. And if you want to see the output of the main process running inside of a container, like the logs from a server or a interactive output, or if you want to reconnect towards a running container process, we will be going over this Docker attach.